Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the process of downloading and installing the HP LaserJet 1010 printer on Windows 11. Please follow along carefully to ensure a successful installation. First, you need to download the appropriate driver for your printer. Make sure to download the version that matches your system type. If your computer is running a 32-bit version of Windows 11, select the 32-bit driver. If it is running a 64-bit version, select the 64-bit driver. Once the driver has been downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Extract the file if it is in a compressed format, such as a zip folder, and remember the location of the extracted folder. Next, we will begin installing the printer. Click the Start button and search for the control panel. Open the control panel and locate the Devices and Printers option. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar within the control panel to find it. Once in Devices and Printers, click on the Add a Printer option at the top of the window. Select the option that says, "The printer that I want isn't listed." This allows us to set up the printer manually. Click Next to proceed. Now choose Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click Next again. You will see a section to select a printer port. Here, you should choose the USB port since we are using a USB connection. For most cases, the port will be labeled as USB 001. Select it and click Next. The next step is to install the printer driver. Click on the Have Disk button, then click Browse. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the driver files earlier. For example, if you saved the extracted files on your desktop, locate the desktop folder and select it. Once you are inside the folder containing the driver, click OK. The printer model, HP LaserJet, will appear in the list. Select it and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The setup process will copy the necessary files and configure the printer. When prompted, click Next to continue through the installation steps. Once the installation is complete, the system will notify you that the printer has been installed successfully. You can now test the printer by printing a test page or any document of your choice. Make sure the printer is powered on and connected to your computer via the USB cable. After verifying that the printer is working correctly, click Finish to complete the setup process. Your HP LaserJet printer is now ready to use on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.